Have you ever wondered why the formula for circumference of a circle is always 2 pi r? Why not something else? In today's lesson, I explain why 2 pi r works, give you the derivation, and solve examples step by step. By the end, you not only know the formula but also understand where it comes and how to apply it in real life. What is circumference? The circumference of a circle is simply the distance around the circle, like the perimeter of a polygon. If our circle is this, the circumference will be the distance around our circle. It is normally denoted by C, and the formula is C equal to 2 pi r, or C equal to pi d, where r is the radius, d is the diameter, pi is approximately 3.14159. Pi can also be taken as pi equal to 22/7. Why 2 pi r works? Derivation. Imagine cutting the circle into smaller equal thin sectors, like cutting a pizza into a lot of tiny slices. Let us say we have a circle. This is the center of our circle. Let us say we cut it into smaller sector of equal size. Each slice has height equal to the radius of the circle and curved edge, a smaller part of the circle circumference. Now, take those thin slices and arrange them alternately, upside down, one pointing up, next pointing down, and so on. The shape will look like this. The height of the rectangle will still be the radius, r. The base of the rectangle is made from half the circle's edge, so our base will still be C/2. Area of a circle. Area of a circle equal to pi r square. Area of a rectangle equal to base multiplied by height. The base of our rectangle is C/2 and the height is r. So the area of our rectangle is approximately C/2 multiplied by r. The next thing we have to do is to set the area of the rectangle and the circle equal to one another, because the slices are just arranged and the area is still the same. So C/2 multiplied by r equal to pi r square. Multiply both sides by 2. So 2 multiplied by C/2 times r equal to 2 pi r square. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Cr equal to 2 pi r square. And 2 pi r square simply means 2 pi times r times r. So divide both sides by r. So CR over r equal to 2 pi times r over r. R here 1, r here 1, r here 1, r here 1. So C equal to 2 pi r. Proved. Let us consider this example. Find the circumference of a circle with radius 7 cm. And the formula for calculating our circumference is C equal to 2 pi r. Here our r is 7 cm. Let us substitute r equal to 7 into this equation. C equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 7 is going to give us 14 pi centimeter. And if we take our pi to be 22 over 7, so C equal to 14 multiplied by 22 over 7. 7 here 1, 7 here 2. Our answer is going to be 44 centimeter. Let us consider another example. The diameter of a bicycle is 70 centimeter. Find its circumference. Our formula for circumference is C equal to pi d. Here our d is 70 centimeter. So C equal to pi multiplied by 70, which is going to give us 70 pi in centimeter. So if we take our pi to be 22 over 7, so C equal to 70 multiplied by 22 over 7. 7 here 1, 7 in 70 is going to give us 10. So our answer will now be 220 centimeter. A circular track has a radius of 200 meter. How far does an athlete run in 5 laps? Our formula for the circumference of a circle is C equal to 2 pi r. Here r is given as 200 meter. So C equal to 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by 200, which equal to 400 pi. If we take our pi to be 3.14159, so C equal to 400 multiplied by 3.14159. C equal to 1256.64 meter. For 5 laps, 5 multiplied by 1256.64, which equal to 6283.2 meter. Practice questions. So the circumference of a circle is the distance around it, and we have seen why the formula C equal to 2 pi r works. In the next video, I will move on into another exciting circle topic. But before that, try these practice questions, drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the circle geometry series. Thank you.